Dog and Mouse Company. Hi friends! Stincel and Ringlet are going on an adventure to Dinosaur Land and would like for you to join them. Are you ready? Let's go. Stincel and Ringlet were thrilled to reunite with their old friend Sloppy Joe, a cheerful polka-dotted dinosaur who explained that he was babysitting his wife's colorful eggs while she was out shopping. Look at the pretty dinosaur colors. Aren't they so bright and beautiful? Can you name them with us? Red. Yellow. Green. Blue. Oh, look, the eggs are hatching. Oh, look, it's a baby red dinosaur. Can you say red? Say it with me. Red. What color is this dinosaur? Yellow. Great job. Oh, look, this one is green. What color is this dinosaur? Blue. Sloppy Joe the dinosaur and his wife celebrated and threw a colorful party for their new babies. Dance, baby dinosaurs, dance! Mom and Dad are ringing the dinner bell. It's time to eat. Wait for me, said Baby Green Dinosaur. It was time for Stincel and Ringlet to get back home, so they waved goodbye to everyone and got into their hot air balloon. Thanks for helping us today, friends. You did a dynamite job learning colors.